When you've sat too long, all the night, still on the porcelain throne. When you're sure you had enough of this shit, well, stay on. And relax your muscles, 'cause it might make you cry. And everybody poops sometimes. Sometimes it takes too long. Now a courtesy flush is not wrong. You have to do this alone, so stay on. Just relax and let go. Stay on. If you think you had too much of this shit, will stay on. 'Cause everybody poops. Take comfort in your strain. Everybody poops. Don't forget to wash your hands. Oh no. Don't forget to wash your hands. If you feel like you need something to read, no, there's nothing to read. If you run out of toilet paper, might have to call in a favor. You think you had too much of this shit, stay on. Well, everybody poops sometimes, it's not a crime. And everybody poops sometimes. And everybody poops sometimes. So stay on, almost done. Stay on, you're almost done. Stay on, you're almost done. Stay on, almost done. Everybody poops. No, you're not alone.